resume the fighting. Oh, they haven't figured out he's gotten it. Oh, still holding on to that wafer. It's not your wafer, that's for Mama Pleco. Oh, Shelby figured it out. Oh, Bubbs, oh, who has it? Nobody has it, just filled it. And Shelby's going for it. Albie's the pale one. Albie dropped his color again. Or her. What did you guys do with it? Did you drop it underneath the driftwood? Where's the wafer? You can't reach it. Look at that. Oh man, it's right there. Now they're gonna fight over who's gonna try to get it out. Now Albie's gonna try. Did one of you get it? What happened to the wafer? Oh, you guys dropped it over there now. At least you got it out. Where's the other one? Oh, man. This is why we have to put 2 wafers in here for Mama Pleco, because you guys will fight over one of them. And hopefully she gets the other. Yep. Bubbs has got it again and dropped it. Too much work? Not gonna bother? What did you guys do with the other one? Oh, no, there's the other one. It's down here. Now, oh, that's why they're probably hanging out over here. Moss ball's in the way, though. I feed you guys enough, you know that, right? You don't need to steal the wafers. You don't even like the wafers. No, you got it again.